back your way. And again, given that at least one of these storms has prompted a tornado warning in Saginaw County, again, all the more reason that you really need to be staying on top of the weather situation for the next several hours. Let's walk back through the warnings here one by one. Matthew, I'm going to ask you, while I'm talking here for a few minutes, if you can see if there are any pictures, are we getting any reports of damage anywhere, anything like that?
Just came across that we've got a tornado warning here in Saginaw. It is extremely humid. The sky's dark, but hi, Shadow. The sky's dark, but it doesn't look that way to me. It would be coming probably from that direction. I'm gonna go around the house and take a look. Here's my little Shadow. Here's my little Shadow. You need to get your kitties to a safe place. Yeah. Okay, I'm gonna let you go. All right. All right. Bye bye. It's okay. You know we have a warning. All right, they're saying in the basement.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
Just want to make sure you knew.
All right, bye-bye. Yeah, I was just trying to call you.
Oh, okay. Well, I'm going to stay out and look.
Well, it's not due here until 5:30. They have found a funnel.
Yeah. There's not been a tornado warning here in quite a while.
Yeah, well, down in the valley, it's cooled off quite a bit.
You think? Well, I don't.
Yeah. Unless it's the air conditioning.
Could be.
I'm hearing thunder.
Yeah, a little bit.
Very lightly.
Yeah.
Did you get a thing on your phone? I don't know if it's me or what, but it seems like it's lightening up a little bit. When it turns green, I'm gone.
Yeah, to me, it doesn't look like that kind of a sky, but I mean, they've got it on radar, I guess, so. I'm glad you got them down in the basement, Dave. It's good. By Merrill. Okay. So far, the wind is picking up. I think it just dropped about 10 degrees. Humidity is a little bit down. So, we will see what happens. I'm going to get under the awning here. There's Dave. He'd have made a good storm chaser. You want to come in? Yeah. You sure they're locked in the basement?
Yep.
Okay. Personally, I think it kind of petered out before it got here.
No, I can see circulation above us.
For real? I don't. But he said, well, you're blowing into the camera right now. Don't know. Just
Huh?
Shit, I don't know.
Well, I know I saw circulation. That's all.
Oh, I believe it. So that would be about it then, right? It's funny though, because the way the wind is sweeping across the road, it should be coming from the other direction, because it would be coming from the west, the storm, but the wind is. Hello? Hey. Yeah? Alright, this is out the back door on the balcony right outside my studio office. Here. Rain's coming down pretty hard. The air is very heavy. But they downgraded it to a severe thunderstorm warning. So that is a good thing. But as severe thunderstorms go, this is mostly just rain so far. But, okay, to me it looks like it's lightening up. I open the door again. I just didn't want to get the lens all wet so you can't see, but so anyways, as a severe thunderstorm goes, ow! That was my elbow hitting the door.